Yeah, I don't think I'd see it up there just in case.
Yeah.
You know, that thing goes shooting off there, man.
Yeah. Usually they close this garage door. They did that one year.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Dude over there in the Nike
That's why I come over
I
here.
I swear it owns an M3. I'd seen him at one of the shows. You got like an older style.
I don't see a Nike shirt.
M3.
Where?
I haven't seen it here, but I'm pretty sure because I met him at one of the shows.
It's not that old. Yeah, they did. Why are they throwing a fan on it?
Don't throw a rod.
No, why are they not throwing a fan in front of it though?
I thought you had to.
Probably be like, all right, that was all for the win.
That's it.
Corvette
That's all
lost.
you got.
Corvette lost.
He's supposed to burn off some of his gas.
How fast you doing? Mary?
My sign was faster than this.
What was he waiting for?
That gas goes faster than this.
Yeah, I know.
There you go.
Catch another gear. There you go.